here at Kevin Lindsey's garage, and he's hosting us, him and Lorna, his wife. And we got Minnie on the barbecue, which we're going to serve up some burgers a little bit later. And we got Sean McMichaels. And Sean is an independent mechanic that has a shop in the area. I've got some of his business cards here. The company name is The UnDealership? The UnDealership. So he's graciously accommodated us, and he's going to do a demonstration on final drive service on our bike today. So we hope to get a couple of bikes up on the rack, and we'll do a demo on one or two, and then we can do some self-service if you like. We're also going to be doing some tire changing with the Nomar machine. Kevin's going to help out with that. So we could, the bikes that are doing final drives will come in, and the bikes that are out here doing tires, we can.
Yeah, it's almost like the edge wasn't chamfered well enough, so you can kind of waste that. I mean, if you don't catch it,
that's the tool we need right there, huh?
Makes it a lot easier and quicker and faster and controllable. You got to fill here and the drain here.
Yeah. I'm going to just fill it up until it drains out the side.
For which one? This one?
Oh, my name's Kevin Lindsey, and I'm the owner of the Twin Circles shop here in San Carlos. And basically, I've been here just a little over a year. My friend Phil, who's got a shop nearby, asked me to join with him and share his shop, and I realized I needed more space, so I went ahead and rented this. It's 850 square feet. And it was totally empty when I got it, and it took me about a year to build it out. And this is kind of a celebration of that effort, so that we're actually putting it to use now. I invited Buddy over here to take a look at the place, to see if it was suitable for a tech day, and we worked it out from there.
No, we got pull this and this whole thing will hang
Oh,
down.
I see. Okay. What is it doing? So it actually comes out of the splines. Huh?
Yeah.
Wow, that doesn't look bad.
Give not that experience.
Don't approach. Yeah,
All those, the food is ready. Those of you that want to partake, we also have vegetarian burgers. John, there's a kitty jar in here for your donations. Thank you.